Okay, to start.
Hello and welcome back once again to my channel. So today I'm gonna unbox my new XMATE Tour 3-axis gimbal. With the same time I got my tripod. So let's begin with the video. So here I got my tripod. So let's begin with the unboxing. As you can see, the packing is like awesome. And I really appreciate Amazon is taking the responsibility in packing the stuff very carefully. So here is the tripod, as you can see, and this is the stuff to mount. Yeah, so it's very cheap. The price is only 180 rupees. So here is the extension. Okay, so now let's keep this aside and let's begin with the unbox of my new gimbal XMATE 3-axis gimbal. So here, let's start. Amazon. Here it comes. What is this? A manual. That, and finally, hopefully, I think everything works fine. I don't want damage. So that's. Oh my God! There you go. Oh yeah, oh yeah, there you go. So here I have to put my mobile, and I got lots of buttons, power button, and a joystick, and a zoom in, zoom out, and a trigger. Yeah, here is the charging jack. This is a cable, and you can see it over here. You can see I have to remove this stuff. Okay, so finally, man. Okay, that's all. So I'm gonna give you a true review of this gimbal after using it. Right now I don't have any sort of idea what to do with this, how to tell you about this. Okay, so yeah, thank you.
So here you can see the recording button, and then on the next you have the power button. On the top you have the joystick, and then on the side the roller to zoom in and out. On the back side you have one more trigger. With the joystick you can move your phone up and down and right to left. Now the trigger, how it works. If you press your trigger, your mobile got stuck at one place. If you try to move your gimbal around, your mobile will not follow it. Now the roller, which will help you to zoom in and out. Next we have object tracking option, in which you have to select a particular object and then your gimbal will follow it automatically. So now here we have the stability test. As you can see the huge difference. Now here comes the portrait mode. If you tilt toward the left hand side, it will convert it into a portrait mode, and you tilt toward the right hand side, it will convert it into a landscape mode. Now here comes the face tracking mode. Your gimbal will follow you wherever you go. This function is kind of like very interesting and very useful. So here's my friend Singh Tashi. He helped me out to make this video. He got a rental bike agency at Ladakh, which is known as Ladakh Bike Adventure. So you can follow him on Instagram.